Me? Good. You? Huh?
Do you have a YouTube channel too?
Yeah. We're going two?
Yeah. So up there, you guys use the, the fungi and they use the chemical.
Who used the chemicals? Who used the chemicals?
The maintenance here.
You gotta tell them to stop doing that.
Yeah, that's the last one, so it's no more. I'm gonna throw the bottle out.
What's up?
Not much, man.
Not much?
Yeah, that's it. What's your YouTube channel?
Huh?
What's your YouTube channel name?
Jay, that drain guy. Jay.
John has one too.
Yeah. John copied me.
Oh, you
No, I told him what I was doing. He said, fuck, I'll do that too. What's that?
You have this little logo more?
Yeah.
Cartoon logo?
Yeah. I appreciate that. Thank you. Power. Stuff is very strong, eh?
Yeah, very strong.
What do you think? Did that fix it?
No idea.
What do you? Oh no, it's not. Do you know? What do you think? Yes or no? Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. It doesn't come anything.
Huh?
From the drain. So it can be grease. It's not. So that is good. So you just control. And so you do it.
sits. That's all. Is the tenant home?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell him to leave the hot water on for about a half an hour. And that's it. Alright. I'm gonna go downstairs. I need you guys to sign off,
Yeah,
okay?
actually, like, there should be a glove box in the office.
I know, but I can't get back in the building. I don't have the keys. That's the thing.
I
Alright?
cannot sign it. Anything.
Okay, just when...
Just give me the paper, I'll sign it.
No, you don't gotta... I don't have it on me. That's the thing. It's in the van, right?
You need a pen?
No.
Okay, I'll see you down there.
Okay, I just need back in the building. I don't have a key, right? Alright guys, that's another one. Just been Jay, that drain guy. Trog now.